Stop by and take a look at the 2004 Honda Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, power driver mirrors, auto-off headlights, security system, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.